Hi, I'm Sherry, and I thought I would share with you two new planners that I picked up from my local Meijer store that I'm going to use in conjunction with my Erin Condren notebook, which I just released a video on. I'm going to put the card here and the link down below for you. This is my master to-do plan for the house. It has every single room in it. I still have to finish it, but you can take a look at that video and see how I'm using it. What I did is made a list of everything I could think of and will think of that needs to be done in the house, and then I will take that and transfer it into one of these two planners here. I haven't quite decided which one. The reason why I picked up both, let's move this aside here, is because not only are they adorable and they happen to actually match my theme, but they were 20% off. So I believe I paid $6 and some change for this one, which has the tabs. And then this is just a regular student planner, which you could actually put in a 3-ring binder for $3.19. And by the way, if you have students, especially the older ones who are heading off to college or in high school, these are great because they give them everything they need and it's not overkill and the price is right. Now this one is basically, as you can see, it's from Plan Ahead. It's basically just your monthly layout calendar. They do have the past and then the future 2 months ahead, which is nice. Oh no, wait, they don't. That's interesting. Okay, so they have the full month. It's the month before, the one after, and the current month. Okay, well, all right, apparently some people, that's funny. All right, whatever. Now, as you can see, it's just in a gray tone. It's nothing fancy, and the paper is far from spectacular. So if you're looking for Erin Condren levels, you are not going to find that here. I mean, for $3, it's like almost like a recycled paper. But just a fine pen or pencil would work perfectly. I haven't decided if I'm going to use this one. I may, because all I really need to do is look at the monthly layout ahead and then decide on these 2 days I can do some type of minimal cleaning in zone 1 and 3 or what have you. Because I did not want to put this in my family planner because the squares are just too small and it would just be too junky looking. And this I could carry with me anywhere, or even this one. I don't know. I'm leaning actually more towards this one. It does have the nice plastic cover and they had some really cute designs. Obviously I got this to match. And this is a nice harder cardstock. And then another one. It has personal information, which I would never put in there. Now, I really do like how it has, you know, up to 2021 in here. And they're tabbed. This starts in August. Again, the paper's, it's not flimsy, but it's not high quality either. I wouldn't use markers in here, just like a light writing pen. But this may be all I need, and the nice thing is it is on the rings, so it does lay flat, and then it will have the horizontal lines here. I usually just use this because I just need to see quickly what I need to get done. But I don't know, I might use this and then I can write a few things ahead of time, like, hey, remember to pick up such and such for the next cleaning gig. And this takes you all the way into July of 2019. And then in the end, it has like 4 pages of this contacts. Frankly, I don't know that many people. I would never use this, but I suppose if you're in college or something, you may need that. Several of those. And then they have passwords. Again, I would never put them on this. And then it has a few pages of notes in the back. So, you know, for $6 and some change, it's really not a bad buy. And if you're really on a budget, this is another great way to still be able to do some planning without, you know, breaking the bank. So that's an option. And then because I'm on the house cleaning kick, I went to my local library and picked up some books. And these so far are coming out as my favorites. This one here is Make Room for What You Love. This is by Melissa Michaels. She also wrote Love the Home You Have. I actually purchased that for my mom and gave that to her as a gift a year or so ago. I also have a couple more of her books coming through the Interloan. She's pretty realistic in how she lays out the plans to do this. Do I agree with everything? No. Again, I've been keeping house for over 30 years. So it's not like I don't know how to do it. I just needed a refresher and some new ideas and things to kind of inspire me, which these have. So this isn't a bad one to read, so look for Melissa Michaels books. These two are definitely highly recommended for me. Simply Clean, this is by Becky Rapinchuk. Sorry, Clean Mama, if I said your name wrong. She does have a blog, and I've been going over there and looking into that. This is a great book. She really lays down how to accomplish things. Like, this week work on this, that week work on that. She provides great checklists by seasons, by weeks, by months. And in the back, she also provides the checklists again. I really like that. Now, not that I would necessarily, follow this to a T. It definitely gives me some ideas. And I really like the monthly ideas for things to do. So we're in July, and this would be what she would suggest you doing in July, so you don't get overwhelmed. Well, my house is already past that point of overwhelmness, so I'm just doing the rooms that I know I need to handle first to feel calmer, and then I'll go from there, but I'm definitely going to utilize a lot of these checklists. The other one is by Jennifer Lifford, and this is called The Home Decluttering Diet. Again, check your library for all these books. So she has some really great ideas in here. The only thing I wish she would have done is mentioned where she found some of these organizational things. There's like pull-out drawers and things that she has in here that she showcases, and I'm like, oh, would have been nice to be able to quickly go to a website or something that would tell me. I'm going to do a little more research and find a few of these things. But since I've been reading these and I'm starting to work on my checkoff list, these have been helpful. They've been encouraging and getting me remotivated to keep going. And I'm very happy to report in the last couple days, I've actually been able to work on my kitchen one zone. As you can see, I have some checkoffs. I've reorganized my medication drawer. I've also reorganized and decluttered 2 cabinets. I did 2 drawers and the pantry this weekend. I just need to add some more shelves, which is a husband job. But I was very excited. I was able to check stuff off. Woohoo! So, there you go. That's my quest for regaining control of this house. I'm starting in my kitchen because we're always in here, and once I have it calmer, then I'll feel better, and then I can move on to a new zone. But that's what I'm doing. Nothing homeschooly or anything like that right now. I'm just working on getting control of the house. I'll try and get an update video for y'all soon. There's been a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes, and unfortunately it's not all good. So it's been very stressful right now, and so I'm just trying to do some things to help maintain order in our house so that anxiety levels and worry don't get out of control. Again, I'll do a video soon. All right, so there you have it. Questions, comments, leave them down below. Do look for these books and others that talk about how to organize and clean. Even if you've been doing it for years like me, sometimes a new idea is very helpful. And Pinterest is great, but I don't have time to keep going back and forth with all those pins. All this information is already in the books. All right, and I will go ahead and list these names again for you down below. All right, until next time, folks, take care.